We all want our rooms to be cool, clean, oxygen-rich, and fragrant, as well as controlled by intelligent systems, especially in houses with large areas and with many rooms. Well, I'm at one of AirProcess's projects. Here is this CyberVent system that meets the needs I just mentioned. Specifically, this system will take the air from the outside and run it through the filters, which will then become fresh, clean air, which will be brought into your room. CyberVent will then bring the air from your room and send it outside. However, CyberVent has even more important benefits, and now I will tell you what they consist of. This is the way the air comes in from the outdoors. The air will go through this air mixing filter, and this unit uses multiple levels of the filter simultaneously, which is called HEPA stack technology. The air will pass through the washable pre-filter F7 filter, as well as the HEPA H13 filters. You can see the double V-shape HEPA H13 filter here. The actual contact area is huge, so it is very powerful. You can see the system can serve a house or many rooms combined up to a total area of 200 square meters. I repeat, yes, 200 square meters. Very powerful. With dust-free operation, you can try zero dust experience at the outlet so that it ensures that the air entering your home will be totally purified. It has also a mixing valve here to intelligent adjustment of air intake ratio. You can adjust the ratio in the controller or work it automatically by sensor signal. This is one of the very special ones of CyberVent. For example, if it gets into this position, it will completely lock out the outside air. Hot air will not enter your house, and indoor air will return through this T-shaped duct. The machine will only purify the indoor air like a recirculating air purifier. The air passes through here, enters the system, and goes on. Next, the air will go to the energy exchanger, which is also called the ERV unit. This is inside of the heat exchanger system. There you can see that the CyberVent have two ERV cores that help the indoor and outdoor air transfer temperature, but also it doesn't mix them together. These are also one of the biggest ERV core in the world right now. One more thing, if others' core made of the same kinds of paper or metal, which is not suitable in hot or humid tropical weather. CyberVent ERV core are made of special materials called PS and PE. This material can keep performance of the core lasting a long time, much better than any others. In any weather, in any season. You can also simply clean it and it will last forever. Because the air temperature difference between your room and outside is so high, passing through this unit will be reduced to 15% only. In other words, heat exchange efficiency is 85%. CyberVent can get this top-tier performance because it uses special technology called PITSS, and that stands for Power, Impedance, and Temperature Symmetry System. For example, the air outside is 35 degrees Celsius. In the room, the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. That is, the temperature will be 10 degrees Celsius apart. After passing through CyberVent, the difference is reduced to 15%, which means 1.5 degrees Celsius only. The air coming to your room will be 26.5 degrees Celsius. The main engine is put on in this main unit also. It uses the latest EC technology motor that comes with high intelligence, high energy saving, high efficiency, long life, low vibration, and low noise. And because we can install CyberVent out of the room and on the ceiling, it won't make for any noise. It is much different than if we place circulation air purifiers in your room that make noticeable noise. I've never seen any device have better finish than this one. It looks so futuristic. Its case is made of expanded polypropylene rather than metal or plastic. It won't cause any rattling noises. Actually, if I stand here right under the device, I can hardly tell if the engine is on or not. It's so smooth. After passing through the heat exchanger, the air will go to the electronic distributor. This one is one of the biggest advantage of the CyberVent system that no other systems have. CyberVent has a total of 16 valves here, including 8 outlets and 8 inlets, and it comes in pairs. Each valve can be controlled individually. That is, the air from here will be distributed to different air pipes, which can lead to different rooms. For example, the living room is large, so you can arrange 3 or 4 pairs. The bedroom is small. We only need to arrange 1 pair. This is what the electronic distributor delivers. We can visualize the air going into the room through the duct. The air will be expelled through a similar outlet. We can force the air that comes in or out. Then the room will become positive or negative with pressure. or let the system choose itself by depending on the actual need. The system can also control volume of air that enters your rooms. This is one of the very special features because currently other systems do not have this function. The air grill is very small and looks elegant. It fits all architecture designs. As you can see, it is as small as a downlight device and not like others on the market. We designed our air grill and has been optimized for aerodynamics minimal resistance force. Clean, fresh air comes out from here and vice versa. If the air in your room is dirty, dust will be sucked out. On this bottom side, it is also equipped a tray so that you can easily put the scent of your perfume in here, making your room more fragrant. You can choose your own scent to personalize your house. It also has a G4 coarse filter so that the air that goes in this tube is filtered. No dust can get in your duct system. To control this system, CyberVent system is equipped with sensor units that can measure humidity, temperature, CO2 concentration, and 2.5 ppms of fine dust. Then from there, it will make a decision on how much fresh air in this system will be put in or taken out. This process is fully automatic, or you can control it by yourself through this modern electronic controller with a smart touchscreen. It will be connected and get power from the central control system through a LAN cable. Or you can use the app on your phone to control it. However, in my opinion, using sensors is the best method because we don't need to frequently check air quality in the room. The system will help us with that. Next, you can see the air ducts that AirPros uses. All of these ducts meet high standards and they are genuine. There are 2 layers HDPE pipes with great properties and smooth inside. No dust, no odor, self-cleanable, and minimal pressure drop. Also, the accessories are very high standard. This helps avoid cases where the pipes are sagging or it is not up to installation standard. That can accumulate dust or can cause noise during use. In short, this CyberVent system, we first have cool air, i.e. a heat exchanger system that makes your room not hot like when fresh air directly through the door, windows, or normal ventilation system. Furthermore, we'll have clean air because that air has been thoroughly filtered. Not only that, it provides us with more oxygen than other types of purifiers that are only filtering indoor air. Also, the air can be even more fragrant because it is passed through the air grill, where you can put your favorite perfume. We can control CyberVent with an automatic system via sensors, via an app on the phone, or via a very modern and smart touchscreen.